I'm here at the STEAM fair with some second graders. Can you tell me about your project?
This space probe is called the Star Cruiser. The Star Cruiser will go to Saturn and Jupiter through the asteroid belt. This space probe we made out of all the recycled parts and that our teacher gave us. And this we also could use tinfoil. So this is the satellite dish that we made through a 3D printer, and the leftovers were made into the solar panels.
I'm back at the STEAM fair looking at more projects. Can you tell me about your project?
So my project is a portable cell phone charger that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay, so I made a sundial, and it was an ancient way of telling time in the Etruscan and Egyptian civilizations. And how it works is the Earth rotates around on its axis, and the sun casts a shadow, and it points to whatever time it is. And so this part is the gnomon right here, and it has to be placed at the angle of the latitude. And the hour lines also have to be placed at the angle of the latitude, facing north right here. So it has to be facing north. And right now it's 9:02, so it's facing, the shadow is cast on 8:02 since it's an hour off because of the time change.
My name is Anya, and I'm doing the art and science of glass. In nature, glass is formed by lightning striking sand. And for a time, most glass art was made in Italy. So my question was, the time it takes glass to cool affect the glass? And my hypothesis was, if I pull the glass out early and cool it too fast, I think it will shatter into many pieces. And so my materials were 5 pieces of glass, kiln blocks, ceramic paper, gloves, water, and 2 trays. And my procedure was prepare the kiln, and I programmed the kiln to go up by 600 to the melting point, which is 1450 for these ones. But for these ones, I removed my first sample at 900 degrees. I removed my second sample at 700 degrees. I removed my third sample at 600 degrees, and I removed my last sample at 0 degrees. And this one has cracks because I water cooled it, which means I put it in water to cool. And this one I let it air cool. And this part I put it in water, and this part I just let it air cool. And this part I let it air cool, nothing happened. But then you see, when I water cooled it, it just broke in half. And this one went from 900 degrees to 0 degrees. So my hypothesis was both correct and incorrect. I learned that if you take the glass out early and cool it fast, it will shatter. And that's because of molecules. So if you add heat to the glass, it'll spread apart. The molecules will spread apart. And if you let it cool slowly, they'll come together, but in a pattern. But if you let it cool too fast, the molecules will like scrunch together, and they'll be out of order, and then the glass will crack.